Good morning! Say hi! Good morning! Nagising siya, guys. Siya yung naunang nagising. Tapos, kinuha yung remote ng TV. Nagpapa-on ng TV. Ayun, nanonood. Ito nagising din. Oh! Anyway, good morning! Happy Saturday! So, may cyclone dito sa WA. Sa Perth, guys. Pero, hindi sa aming banda, hindi masyado bongga yung storm. Sa mga ibang lugar, like outback. Like, malalayo dito. Pero, hanggang Monday pa yung cyclone. So, sana hindi masyado umuulan kasi may ballet and gymnastics in Mia today. Since it's Saturday. So, we're ready na kami soon.
I was already awake before you guys.
I'm still sleepy. But this guy keep on waking up. Kasi, na siya. Tanted na siya sa sleep niya. Hello! Say good morning! Say hi! Hi! Okay. What are you doing? Stop. It's doing the dance. Oh. Get up. That's so sad. Look at my boy. Are you doing the big dance? Hello, ate. Dance na. Sorry. Okay, Mama, get ready. We're getting ready lang, guys.
Getting ready to go to school ballet. I'm so happy to go to school ballet.
Ang isa, busy-busy naman ka
And
na
I
ano.
even got this bag. It's actually a phone case. This phone case bag.
Hey guys, stop taking my stuff there. Ito. Super busy ka din dyan. Ooh, what's that? What's that? You need to change. That guy needs to change.
How back a little bit. And go best way back and bounce in the back and bounce, bounce, bounce to the left side. Bounce, bounce, bounce to the right side. Or bounce, bounce, inside and outside. Okay.
and it's raining. Oh, drizzling. You right, Kai? Sharing naman talaga kayo dyan. Ang cute niyo. Good job sharing, Kai Kai. Well done, baby. Ito naman talaga ang aking little man. Very
He snatched it from me with a fairy guy.
mapagbigay. Sinusubuan niya lahat ng tao. Good job, my
You can have
boo-boy.
this. Every single day,
I'm actually
Kai
glad.
has a veggie chip. Then
Yeah.
he always eats it, and then when I do this, then he always takes something out of his mouth and gives it to me.
Yeah, from his mouth, not from
Yeah,
the
that's
pocket.
So disgusting. So disgusting.
It's disgusting.
So disgusting.
I'm actually, you know, Mia, I'm actually glad that it rains because it's washing our car. Our car was so dirty yesterday and now it looks so clean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And those wiping things for the rain is actually wiping the sprinkles off.
So it's wiping the glass.
Wiping the rain away.
Oh,
So
yeah.
we can see.
Yeah, it's wiping the glass.
I forgot about my glasses.
Oh, that's fine. I asked you to get it. You didn't get it. Yeah. Hindi ko alam kung nag-vlog ako. Hindi ko na alam yung last vlog ko. I think ano lang, the other day lang. Ate Mia got her glasses.
Yeah, from yesterday.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I think we vlogged that. Yung pumunta kami ng optometrist sa Specsaver. Yung pina-check ulit yung eyes niya. And then we got,
Actually, no, we didn't get it yesterday.
yeah, the other day. We got it the other day.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yan, nakuha niya ng isang araw, we pick it up, nung walang pasok, nung Thursday, nung walang pasok yung teachers meeting day nun, and timing nag-email sila na ready to pick up na, so, pinick up namin, and ang ganda ng case, ang ganda ng napili ni ate na, na glasses, bagay na bagay sa kanya, compared dun sa una, kasi yung una medyo, yun guys, parang thick yung frame.
Can I eat this?
And this one, very manipis lang.
Mommy, can I eat this?
Yeah. Very manipis lang yung frame and parang lang siya. Parang sosyalan tingnan. Ang cute lang. Tapos yung case niya is Disney. Pink na pink. Yung hot pink na Disney yung kulay. And very nice. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. So gustong-gusto niya yung glasses niya ngayon. Kaya lang itong aking little man, yung kapatid naman talaga niya guys. Laging tinitis si Mia. Kinukuha niya, ginagano niya, tapos aalis siya,
Dad, can we hear this silly word?
tatakbo.
Can we
Ganon.
hear this silly word?
What silly?
Easy peasy lemon squeezy bum bum.
Yung kapatid talaga niya, si Kai talaga, mahilig kuha ng glasses ni ate. Kaya siguro na, yun, nauunat pa. Mahilig na siya maglaro-laro kay ate niya. Nilalaro niya na din si ate eh. What is Kai doing with your glasses?
Grabbing it.
Yung hihiga-higa lang yung ate niya, tapos bigla niya nang i-grab, tapos tatakbo siya. Gusto niyang hinahabol siya ng ate niya. Ang cute talaga ni Kai. Lagi niya ginagawa yun kahit saan guys, kahit nakatayo lang si Mia, tapos bigla niyang i-grab, tatakbo siya. Tapos hindi niya pa talaga ibabalik kayo, as in talaga yung hawak-hawak niya talaga, yung middle part pa yan, hawak-hawak niya yung middle part na super strong. Sakit ng paa ko. Nag-leg day kami kahapon. Hindi ako nag-vlog, but yeah, we went to the gym. Yung leg tsaka yung back yung ginawa namin. Ang sakit ng paa ko ngayon. Ng legs. Ang sakit ng legs ko ngayon. Pero okay na din na exercise yung ating muscles. We're here. Medyo maaga pa guys. Umuulan sa labas. Are you done eating guys? I have to bring Kai inside. Maybe I'll just hold Kai. Should I hold Kai? I don't know.
Maybe just use the prom.
It's raining kasi.
Maybe it's a cherry car. But you take too long. You get wet.
Yeah, I can't walk outside too because it's raining. We usually, pag nasa, ano kasi si Ate Mia, we walk around. Tapos we go to the playground close by. Or sometimes we walk there, oh. Meron kasing ano dyan, red dot. So we just walk to red dot. Hmm? Is he done? Are you done, my love?
No. Kaka let me eat his veggie chip.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that her? Is that his?
He doesn't want it anymore.
Okay, wipe. Nagwa-wipe naman talaga siya. Pina-wipe na yung face niya. Yes, so good. So good, my little man. Yung buko ko talaga hindi nakaayos. Ginupitan ko yung bangs ko guys, super iksi. Ayan o. Kaya hindi ko siya muna ilalabas kasi super iksi ng gupit ko. Ako na talaga. Expert ako dyan before sa bangs. Ngayon hindi na. Bakit ganun? Alright. Mia, wipe your face too and wipe your hands. And your ballet shoes. Can you give it to me so I can put it in the bag? Are you bringing your bag? You put it there. If you're bringing your bag.
It's my ballet shoes.
There. At the back. Over there.
My ballet shoes.
Mm.
It's my ballet shoes.
Are you gonna bring your water or just in gymnastics later? Gymnastics later?
Baby.
Yeah. Just drink water. Dali. Oh, Barbara! Ano? Let's go. Ate will be late to her gymnastics. Ate have gymnastics pa. Oh, oh. Where's your leg?
Mommy, do you want to hear my sing?
Huh?
Oh, make me glad.
What's that? What song is that?
That's from my ballet in school. My ballet has the same song as my school.
Yeah, wait lang. Oh, here. Oh, what is it? Ate, dali na. Ate.
Make me live.
You pick up your... Come on, dali. We're going. All good? Sit down. Put your seatbelt. You can have your snacks too. Alright. Let's go to... Where are we going, guys? Where are we going, guys?
Are you ready for the Sotanas, Kai? Okay, just wait. I'll get the Sotanas. Well, it's in my bag, so
Let's go
first,
to
let me just put on my
Midland. Gymnastics naman tayo.
Okay.
Are you ready for gymnastics? Last day pala nila ngayon. Last
Sotanas.
class sa last ballet and then last gymnastics today.
Guys, for Sultanas! Yeah.
Because next week is Holy Week. Holy week.
Sultan.
And next week we're going for a long drive next week for the Holy Week. Punta kami dun sa friend ni V sa Baselton. Magpa-Baselton na naman tayo, guys.
And one for you. Yay. Mom, because I got two at the time. Two Sultanas went out.
Okay.
They jumped.
Ayun, so pupunta kami ng Baselton. I think it's 3-4 hours drive, if I'm not mistaken. So, nung last year ba yun? Yeah, I think we went there last year as well. So, yung pinuntahan natin last year ng Easter, doon kami pupunta ulit. And good luck kasi nga, super taas na ng fuel price talaga ngayon. So, yung diesel, umaabot na ng $3 something, guys. So, it's very expensive na here. And petrol as of now is $2.60. So, in a week's time, baka tataas pa yan. Bongga. Ay, what happened, guys? Why are we... Ay, nako. He's eating sultanas. Gusto niya yung sultanas. Yung nasa maliit na box. Is Kai not sharing with you?
Yeah.
Oh.
He only gave me like.
I did. He's giving you.
He only giving me two.
Oh, he's giving you, ate.
He's only giving me two.
Say thank you, ate, for giving me the sultanas.
No, not I two. I didn't give him the sultana.
Yeah, you give him the whole box.
Oh yeah.
We need more actually. That's the last one. Yeah. Are you guys tired? Are you tired? Who's tired today?
Nobody. Not even Kai Kai.
It's Mame. Kai is tired too. He's like yawning. He's sleepy, ate.
Yeah, he looks.
He was waiting inside and he is bored. You know what he did in there?
No.
Oh my god. He opened the door.
What? How?
He just pushed it.
What?
He opened the door, guys. Di ba merong waiting area doon? Tapos may door. Tapos ano na ni Mia, like studio na nila. In-open niya, yung pinush niya na open yung dalawang door. My goodness. Tapos touch ng fake plants. Mabuti na lang fake plants. So tina-touch niya everything. Oh my goodness me. Parang nalibot na din namin lahat ng sulok doon sa loob. Kasi hindi ko dinala yung pram. Kasi nga, umuulan-ulan kanina. So, nagpayong lang kami. Bit ko siya. Payong lang kami. Mabuti na lang merong payong si Ate Mia na kanya. So, kasya kami doon sa isang payong. Tapos, solo ni Mia yung payong niya.
Give me two.
It was a good workout for me for 45 minutes. So, sunod lang ako ng sunod. Hinahayaan ko lang din naman siya. Mabuti na lang din. Hindi niya na tinatouch yung mga, sa may mga stocks area, yung may mga damit, may mga stocks ng, tawag dito, tights, yung mga damit doon. Doon kasi nila ini-stocks sa gilid din. Tapos, merong mga chairs for the parents to
Kai
sit.
not giving me. He keeps on eating it, and then he gives the one he.
Get the other for you, snacks for you. First time din namin nagstay talaga dun sa studio sa waiting area. Kasi normally lakad-lakad kami ni Kai. Usually yun yung ginagawa talaga namin, pupunta kami dun sa park. Tapos or sa lakad-lakad kami dun sa mga shops, sa Red Dot. Kaya minsan napapa-shopping ako sa Red Dot. It was his first time staying in the studio. Ayun, lakad-lakad lang siya guys. Ay, nako. Dagdag workout kay mami, but that's okay. May mga nakausap na din akong so may mga nakausap na din akong parents. Kaya tanong nila how old is Kai. Tapos meron din kasi doon isa na may kasama din siyang 2 years old. So ayun, nag-usap-usap na din kami ng parents doon. Ay, kulit-kulit kasi talaga ng aming Kai kung saan napupunta. Tapos pag may music pa siyang marinig, diba? Kasi may off and off yung music ni Mia. So pag nag-on naman yung music, dance siya guys. Ang cute. Nagda-dance siya doon. Tapos nilalaro niya yung payong kasi nandun yung payong nilalaro niya. Okay naman siya, hindi naman yung super hard. Kasi ano lang siya, naglalaro-laro lang siya. Yung ano lang talaga, yung problem lang is yung tinatouch niya yung fake plants tsaka yung door, pinupush niya. So yun yung kailangan tignan kasi baka masira yung fake plants nila dun. But other than that, he was okay. Walking around, playing with the payong. Ano nga yung payong sa Tagalog? Payong din, diba? Payong. You know what?
Payong over here.
Payong over here. Payong over here.
Umbrella over here. Payong is over here.
$3.23 guys. Ang diesel. What is, how are you in Tagalog?
Hi. Kumusta?
Good job. Kamusta po? Don't forget the po. Tulog na si Kai guys. So lakad-lakad lang ako dito sa mall, tingin-tingin. Kumain na din ako ng nigiri. So merong isang natira kasi isisave ko siya para kay Kai. And I'm just getting bubble tea here sa Boba, ano to? Boba Bear. Dito lang ako sa food court. May nakita, nandito kami sa Target. Ang cute din ito. Si Melody. Nakasale siya ng $30. Ah, madami pa. Meron silang Kurumi tsaka... Ay, Hello Kitty! Ang dami na nga nito sa bahay eh. Yung iba, hindi ko na nga alam saan ilalagay. Yes, Kakay. Oh, 15 na lang. Ito, magkano to? 15 na lang din. Yeah! Do you want Kurumi? There's Hello Kitty. To put in Ate Mia's bed. How about Hello Kitty? Dumihan nga lang si Hello Kitty. Which one do you like? Hello Kitty or Kurumi? Ang cute na Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Nag-iisa na nga lang to si Hello Kitty. This is for ate ha, not for you. That's for girls. Yay! Hello Kitty! Ang cute! Should we get two? Tingnan nyo siya. Binigay ko lahat sa kanya yung nigiri. Yung half guys nilagay sa mouth. Tingnan mo. Kasi bakit mo nilagay lahat sa mouth? Oh, 'di ba? Hindi mo kaya nunukin. Yung anak ko naman talaga. Oh. Tingnan mo ikaw. Yeah. Yeah, eat first and then mommy will give that. Gustong-gusto niyo yung Kurumi. Gusto mo yan? Eat mo na din. Ay, tingnan nyo. Kumukuha pa. Eat mo na that one. Finish this one. This one. Eat that one. Eat that one first. Kasi, ang dami ng rice. Sige na, eat that one first. No, don't wipe it. You put it in your mouth. Go. Oh, ay, nako. Ano ang gusto? What do you want? You want the rice? What do you want? Oh, close. Ayaw mo na? Ay, ang dumi na ng kamay. Dito kami sa shoes. Ilang balik na kami dito. Pangatlo na siguro hanap kami ng shoes. Wala, guys. Gusto ko sana mga ganitong style. But walang size ni Kai. Ito yung pinakamalaki. 6. Ang laki niyan. Size 5 siya eh. So, gusto ko din to pero wala na ding size. Meron silang mga ganito. Yung parang samba look alike. But they don't have the one I want. Next time. Baka sa ibang Target meron. Ito muna yung gamit-gamit niya o yung brown. Galing pa to Pilipinas. No? Kaya no? Wala talaga. Ito, meron silang mga naka-sale. Tingnan niyo. Ayan. Merong mga ganito. At hindi ko masyado bet. Yung kulay. Wala ding size. Tingnan nyo yung nakita ko. $4 na lang siya, candy maker. Works with real ingredients. Ah, so ikaw talaga gawa ng real ingredients? Or animal food safe and easy to clean design for little hands. That's very nice. $4 na lang. Ah, so ikaw yung gagawa ng ingredients, tapos ito yung mga mold nila. Sila yung gagawa nito. That's cool. Let's try that at home. May nakuha na siyang xylophone. You like that xylophone? Huh? May mga magnets din dito eh. Yung mga magnets ni Mia yung gustong-gusto niya laruin. Let's see here. Ito. Ayan. Kaya lang, mayroon na ganito si Mia. Eh, exactly ganito. Ah, ito yung maliit. Yan. $10 lang. Pwede din to, yes. Gusto niya laruin to, yung mga maliliit. Play and learn. Ah, maganda din to, oh. To perfect kay Kai. Kaya lang, parang ang dami ko na niyan. No, kayo no. Ano to? Ah, okay.
Is that a Hello Kitty patty?
Ah, how did you know?
Saw it already.
Ta-da!
Well, I didn't know how it looked like.
We put this in your bed like this. How cute is that? This is the only one left there. They have Kurumi as well.
Oh, well, the Hello Kitty.
But the Hello Kitty is cute. No, Mia, don't! Give it to him! Ay, naku. Let's go home, guys. Napabili, napashopping na naman tayo, syempre. Come on, dali. Dami kasing nakasale, guys. Oh, Mia, hold this. Oh, you don't wanna hold. Hold
I
this.
don't want to
Oh,
hold
I give that to Kai.
it.
How was your, ano, today?
Good.
Good? That's good. What did you do today?
I thought it was a lemon. Well,
What did you do today?
huh?
Oh my god, it's so hard. Wait lang. What did you do today? Back. That's for your bed. Let's go ho 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 ho. Kaika has a xylophone, so he's playing with it now. He's
Do you
happy.
have something else? Oh, that I
That's
can
it.
see. I wanna see.
That's it. That's the one I've got for you. And ta-da! You're welcome.
This is my favorite flavor.
left there, so I didn't even check. Oh, they're all turning. Oh no. This guy can want it?
Can't play with this.
You can let him play with the lollipop first, maybe. Haul tayo guys ng ating mga pinamili. Sina daddy na sa bahay na din, galing sila work. So bumili lang sila KFC kasi walang food. Pumunta din sila ng Filipino shop. Actually, bumili sila ng crab tsaka balut. So magbabalot yan sila for sure mamaya. Anyway, eto, ang cute-cute nito. $20 na lang. Namantsahan na. Ayan o. Pang sa bed ni Mia. Tapos, I've got this. Meron na kami nito before, kaya lang nawala na yung iba. Yeah, open this for Kai. And then, ta-da! You know what's this?
I guess it was painting.
No, it's not. It's candy maker.
Candy maker? What?
Yeah.
That means you bought me
Like a
candy.
jelly. You know, like a jelly? You make your own and then we put it in the fridge or freezer.
Oh my god, that was so good.
Yeah. Alala, lagot ka kay daddy. And then, ito na yung mga damit na naman. Pero pang next summer na to guys. Kasi pang malakihan yung binili ko kay Kai. Kasi yung summer clothes niya ngayon is enough na for this summer. Well, actually, autumn na dito sa Australia. Kaya lang mainit pa talaga siya. So, this one. Ayan, ang shorts. Alam niyo ba kung magkano na lang to? $9 na lang from 16. Tapos ito, $6 na lang from 16. O, diba? Mumura pa to. Feeling ko
Mommy,
mumura
look,
pa
it
to
even
sila.
has many of this.
And then we have this as well. Ano na lang yan? $10 from 18. Ito hindi ata ito naka-sale. Pajama ni Kai for winter. Ngayong malamig.
Mommy!
Kai, lagot ka kay daddy. Ang cute Mickey Mouse. Ay! No, lagot ka kay daddy. You don't hit the floor. What ito? And then, ito hindi din naka-sale, but this is for winter. So, masusuot niya na itong malamig. Palamig na panahon. Ayan. Ano na siya?
You're
Turno.
gonna get in trouble.
Ayan. Ang cute kasi corduroy yung pants. I like it. And then, yun ang yun ang binili natin. Ang xylophone toy ni Kai. Ito. Ayan. So, pina-open ko na dun sa cashier kanina para malaro niya. So, where's the ganyan. Nawala na din. Yun lang naman. So, ito, hindi ko alam. I think mommy have to search how to make a jelly. Works with real ingredients. So, yeah. Because we have this already. Food safe and easy to clean. $4 lang pala yan, guys. In fairness dyan. Ito, $10. Yeah. Alright, so let's put this away.
Mommy, guess what?
Oh.
That means you bought me candy.
It's not candy. It's for like a mold. So ito yung mga binili ni hala, kinuha ni Pochi. Look, Pochi took the stick. Oh. So this is the crab. Tapos nagpabili, tinawagan ako ni daddy ko ano yung gusto ko dun. Sabi ko hopia. So I've got hopia and then ubi pandesal. Ubi cheese to guys. And then yeah, balot. So ilang what do you want? Oh wow, look at this. Isang dosena yung binili. Mangga, ito yung laksa leaves kasi kailangan nila to for the balot. Kinakain nila yan with laksa leaves. And that's it. That's all from the Filipino shop.
Slappy dog,
Hello guys, back in the car. Let's go back to Yes Gymnastics. Meron silang
Slappy dog, crocodile.
Easter egg hunt.
Slappy little crocodile.
Mia, did you have your basket? You have your basket?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Let's go. Kakaalis lang din nila daddy. Magti-training na naman sila obviously. So let's go and go to the kakagising lang niya. Ginising ko talaga siya kasi tulog pa siya. After namin kanina kumain, pinatulog ko siya. And natulog naman siya agad. So, mga around, ano na yun, 3 o'clock. Tapos natulog din ako, guys. Natulog din ako. Ay, habuti na lang happy siya nung ginising ko. Hindi siya umiyak. Happy yan ang baby ko.
Chicken back, chicken back, 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 back. Chicken back, chicken back, 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 back. Chicken back, 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 back.
Mama. Is Ate coming?
There you go.
Yay!
Blue cat. Blue cat. Blue cat. 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 Blue cat.
Hello guys, we are home. Nagpalit ako kasi nabasa ako sa ano?
Mommy, look at my house.
Wow! Basa ang damit ko. Umuulan kasi nang lumabas na kami ng gymnastics. May kakain na tayo kasi hindi pa tayo nakakain ng dinner. Hindi ko alam kung sino daddy na yung dumating. What happened? Mia, you wanna go shower first, Mia? You need to go shower first so your hair is dry. It's Tita Pretty. Not Daddy, yeah.